Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. We're discussing McDonald's, the company blowout same-store sales results, doubling almost what analysts were expecting, up 11.7%. Jim Cramer, you just made some moves with this stock in your portfolio.
Yeah, I bought a lot of this stock down at 50. I had owned some before, and what I'm trying to do within the confines of not running a trading fund, which is actually not a trading fund, it's a charitable trust, is take advantage of big mood swings, so to speak. Now, there's two kinds of companies out there. There's consistent growers, and then there's inconsistent growers. Okay, let's call them secular growth versus cyclical. McDonald's is a secular growth story, and so when it has to screw up for a given quarter, that's often a great opportunity. I feel that way, by the way, about Merck right now, which is just down a huge amount. And I did that about Pepsi a few months ago. McDonald's reports an inconsistent same-store sales month, but is a consistent company. So what you have to do is you then have to say, okay, but listen, this is the opportunity. When you get these opportunities, like you're getting with Merck right now, like you got with McDonald's, like earlier you got with Pepsi, maybe you're getting some with Procter soon, you got to take them. They don't happen very often. There wasn't anything that was wrong about McDonald's other than they had a bad month. Now, you had to believe the McDonald's management when they said it was just a bad month. A lot of people, you have to believe Indra Nooyi at Pepsi when she says it's just a bad month. You have to believe the people who run Merck when it's just a bad month. I do. All right, there's management. You get paid to judge whether management's lying to you or not, and I think that McDonald's management's really good, and they had a control over this thing, even though no one else did. So McDonald's was a great opportunity. You have to look for these opportunities. Now, there are not many companies that come under the category of managements that have consistent growth anymore. But when they do stumble for a month, that's an opportunity. It's not a reason to panic, and yet a lot of people panicked with McDonald's. Look, nothing's really going right in this market. We all know that. So when I look for certain things, I look for underneath what the businesses are doing. Forget the stocks. The stocks are all horrible. And McDonald's had been delivering pretty consistent growth. So I felt that December was an aberration. It's supposed to say Starbucks, which has been delivering terrible, declining growth. So when you have an aberration of a consistent grower, it's an opportunity.
Is McDonald's better poised in this market where, you got the consumer shopping less? And I was talking to Outback Steakhouse COO, and he says that, definitely they're seeing less traffic even for them.
Well, McDonald's is driven by international, not domestic. So, I mean, McDonald's, same thing with KFC, with Yum. So Yum's very similar situation to McDonald's. If they had a bad month, I'd be a buyer. So I don't regard it as a domestic play.
Okay.
The domestic, if domestic were to be flat, I would be buying it.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Jim Cramer, on MCD McDonald's. That is, again, a stock in his ActionAlertsPlus.com portfolio. And stay tuned for a special promo and offer to learn how you can trade with Jim Cramer.
That's your action point. Take advantage of it.